हे एवरीवन, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं पावर शेयरिंग के टॉप एमसीक्यूज़। एंड यार, इन एमसीक्यूज़ की ड्राइव की लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने लेक्चर अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसीज मेंटेन अ चेक एंड बैलेंस सिस्टम। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बेस्ड ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट। ऑप्शन ए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड लोकल बॉडीज। ऑप्शन बी legislature, executive and judiciary. Option C, among different social groups. And option D, among different pressure groups. And the correct answer is legislature, executive and judiciary. Second question comes here. By 1980s, several political organizations were formed in Sri Lanka demanding an independent Tamil Elam in which of the following state? Option A, northern parts. Option B, western parts. Option C, southern parts. Option D, both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. Third question comes here. Belgium is a small country located in which of the following continent? Option A, Asia. Option B, Europe. Option C, North America. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is B, Europe. Fourth question comes here. Which one of the following is a major ethnic group of Sri Lanka? Option A, Christian and Tamils. Option B, Buddhist and Hindu. Option C, Sinhalas and Tamil. And option D, Sinhalas and Christian. And the correct answer is Sinhalas and Tamil. Fifth question comes here. There are countries in which the constitution clearly lays down the power of different levels of government. This is called option A, unitary division. Option B, federal division. Option C, constitutional division. Option D, only C. And the correct answer is federal division of power. Sixth question comes here. Under which of the following is power shared in the community government of Belgium? Option A, different social groups. Option B, different organs of government. Option C, central and state government. Option D, state government and community government. And the correct answer is different social groups. Seventh question comes here. Which one of the following statements describe a special problems that Brussels presented? Option A, Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in country but minority in capital. French speaking people constituted a majority in country but minority in capital. Third option, the Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in country and in capital as well. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is the Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in country but minority in the capital. Eighth question comes here. Power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. This is an example of which reason of power sharing? Option A, prudential reason. Option B, moral reason. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is prudential reason. Ninth question comes here. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in which of the following year? 1946, 1947, 1948 and 1949. And the correct answer is 1948. 10th question comes here. Which country has successfully negotiated differences among ethnic populations? Option A, Sri Lanka. Option B, Bangladesh. Option C, Belgium. And option D, Pakistan. And the correct answer is Belgium. 11th question comes here. What major steps the Belgian government took to enable everyone to live together within the same country? Choose the correct option. Option A, they amended their constitution 4 times. Option B, they amended their constitution 3 times. Option C, they just asked them to form the communist government. Option D, only A and C. And the correct answer is they amended their constitution 4 times. 12th question comes here. Which of the following was the main reason for the killing of thousands of people in Sri Lanka? Option A, Cold War between Sinhala and Tamil speakers. Option B, Civil War between Sinhala and Tamil speakers. Option C, Atomic Wars between Sinhala and Tamil speakers. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is Civil War between Sinhala and Tamil speakers. 13th question comes here. Belgium shared its border with how many countries of Europe? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. And option D, 6. And the correct answer is 4. Which of the following government in Belgium has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues? Option A, communist government. Option B, central government. Option C, community government. And option D, provincial government. And the correct answer is community government. 15th question comes here. A country in which principle of majoritarianism led to civil war. Option A, Belgium. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Netherlands. And option D, Germany. And the correct answer is Sri Lanka. 16th question comes here. Tamil natives of Sri Lanka are called the option A Indian Tamils, option B Muslim Tamils, option C Sri Lankan Tamils, and option D Christian Tamils. And the correct answer is Sri Lankan Tamils. In dealing with power sharing, which one of the following statements is not correct about democracy? Option A people are the source of all political power. Option B in a democracy, people rule themselves through institutions of self governance. In a democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society. Option D in a democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. And the correct answer is in a democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. 18th question comes here. Which is the capital city of Belgium? Option A Wallonia, option B Brussels, option C Bonn, and option D Paris. And the correct answer is Brussels. Question 19 comes here. The term ILAM stands for option A government, option B state, option C country, and option D political party. And the correct answer is state. Question 20 comes here. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is option A power sharing, option B central government, option C majoritarianism, option D community government. And the correct answer is majoritarianism. 21 question comes here. In which part of Sri Lanka are the Sri Lankan Tamils concentrated? Option A north south, option B northeast, option C east and west, option D south and east. And the correct answer is north and east. 22nd question comes here. Division of power between higher and lower levels of government is called option A horizontal division, option B parallel division, option C vertical division, and option D none of the above. And the correct answer is vertical division. 23rd question comes here. Which language is spoken by 80% people of Brussels? Option A French, option B Dutch, option C German, and option D Latin. And the correct answer is French. 24th question comes here. Which one of the following statements about power sharing arrangement is correct? Option A power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religious, linguistic, or ethnic variations or divisions. Option B power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. Option C every society needs some power sharing if it is small or does not have social divisions. Option D power sharing is not necessary at all. And the correct answer is every society needs some form of power sharing even if it is made or does not have social divisions. 25th question comes here. A system of check and balance is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangement? Option A power sharing among different social groups, option B vertical division of power or power shared among different levels of government, option C horizontal division of power or power shared among different organs of government, option D power sharing in form of political parties, pressure groups, and movements. And the correct answer is horizontal divisions of power or power shared among different organs of government. 26th question comes here. Which language was declared as the only official language of Sri Lanka by an act passed in 1956? Option A Tamil, option B Sinhalas, option C Hindi, and option D English. And the correct answer is Sinhalas. 27th question comes here. Which of the following is not a major social group in Sri Lanka? Option A Sinhala speakers or Sinhala community, option B Sri Lankan Tamils, option C Indian Tamils, and option D Anglo Indians. And the correct answer is Anglo Indians. 28th question comes here. Which of the statements about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka are correct? Option A in Belgium, Dutch speaking majority people try to impose their domination on minority French speaking people. Option B in Sri Lanka, policies of government sought to ensure the dominance of Sinhala speaking majority. Option C Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded a federal arrangement of power sharing to protect their culture, language, and equality of opportunity in education and job. Option D transformation of Belgium from a unitary government to a federal one prevented the division of country on linguistic lines. And the correct answer is transformation of Belgium from a unitary government to a federal one prevented the division of country on linguistic lines. 29 question comes here. Which is a prudent reason for power sharing? Option A it reduces the possibility of conflict between communities and ensures the stability of political order. It is the very spirit of democracy. Both of the above and none of the above. And the correct answer is it reduces the possibility of conflict between communities and ensures stability of political order. 30th question comes here. Non-sharing of power leads to option A, peace among all the communities. Option B, tyranny of the majority and oppression of minority. Option C, negotiation of the very spirit of democracy. Option D, both B and C. And the correct answer is option D, both B and C. 31st question comes here. Which of the following is not one of the aspects of federal division of power? Option A, sharing of power among central, provincial and local government. Option B, division of power involving higher and lower level of government. Option C, constitution clearly lays down power of different levels of government. Option D, there is no vertical division of power. And the correct answer is there is no vertical division of power. 32nd question comes here. Who elect the community government in Belgium? Option A, people belonging to one language community only. Option B, by leader of Belgium. Option C, citizens of whole country. Option D, community leaders to Belgium. And the correct answer is people belonging to one language community only. 33rd question comes here. Sri Lankan Tamil refers to which of the following? Option A, Tamil Muslim. Option B, Tamil native of the country. Option C, Tamil whose forefathers came from India in colonial period. Option D, Tamil Hindus. And the correct answer is Tamil native of the country. 34th question comes here. In the city of Brussels, option A, 80% people speak French while 20% speak Dutch. Option B, 80% people speak Dutch while 20% speak French. Option C, 80% people speak German while 20% speak French. And option D, 80% people speak German while 20% speak Dutch. And the correct answer is 80% people speak French while 20% speak Dutch. 35th question comes here. Which one of the following statement about coalition government is true? Option A, power shared among different organs of government. Option B, power shared among governments at different levels. Option C, power shared by different social groups. Option D, power is shared by two or more political parties. And the correct answer is power is shared by two or more political parties. तो गाइस यही थे हमारे टॉप 35 MCQs जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे PDF की जो लिंक है उससे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। चैनल पे नए हो तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, क्योंकि जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके MCQs कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। गुड।